In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install QuickBooks Desktop. QuickBooks Desktop is a fantastic tool that helps you manage your finances right from your computer, providing powerful features for small to medium-sized businesses. But before you can start enjoying its benefits, we need to get it installed on your machine. Let's walk through this process together, step by step, to ensure everything goes smoothly. First off, to begin, you'll want to head up to the gear icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This icon is crucial because it provides you with the necessary options to manage your QuickBooks preferences and settings. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Within this menu, you'll find a selection titled Get the Desktop App. This is where you want to click next. By selecting this option, you are telling QuickBooks that you're ready to take advantage of the desktop application, which offers a more robust experience compared to using the browser version. Once you've clicked on Get the Desktop App, a new section will open up, prompting you to choose between downloading the application for Windows or Mac. This choice depends entirely on the type of computer you are using. If you are using a Windows operating system, go ahead and click on Download for Windows. If you're working from a Mac, then your path is to select Download for Mac. This step is critical because choosing the correct installer ensures that the application will be compatible with your computer's operating system. Now, as soon as you select the appropriate download option, the download for the installer will begin automatically. This process might take a few moments depending on your internet speed, so be patient and allow the download to complete. Once the download is finished, the next thing you're going to do is locate that installer file, usually found in your Downloads folder. Open the file to run the installer. As you proceed with running the installer, you'll be guided through a series of simple prompts. Just follow along with these instructions, clicking Next until you reach the end of the installation process. And there you have it. You've successfully installed QuickBooks Desktop onto your machine. It's worth noting that once installation is complete, you may need to restart your computer to finalize the setup and ensure everything is working correctly. Now that it's ready, take a moment to explore the features and tools that QuickBooks Desktop has to offer. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Enjoy managing your finances more efficiently and effectively with QuickBooks Desktop. Thank you for joining me today, and happy accounting!